news that has hit recently is around the Builder.AI collapsing due to bankruptcy. And it was completely built around the premise that with AI, you can build anything under the sun. Microsoft and the Qatar board was the two main investors behind it. And there was, I think, close to $500 million that they had put in it. And the collapse actually got lots and lots of non-AI people very happy because they started saying that, look, this had happened with Klarna AI company as well, which was a Swedish company where they let go of a whole ton of humans, replaced them completely with AI in 22, stopped human hiring in 23, and then recently they had dismal results and now they have started rehiring all the humans. So the first question that people keep coming back over and over is that, is AI really here, or is it just a passing phase, just the way, let's say, the metaverse had come? And by the way, I'm also a Perplexity fellow. So I know what's going on in the AI space. I have been tracking AI right from when ChatGPT was launched in 22. And if you ask me, the major problem people are having is that they're either overly using AI or they're not using it at all. So in our company itself, the entire team are using approximately 18 AI tools every week. 18. It's not like you can replace humans with AI. So its basic premise for AI is that if you have, let's say, 10 humans doing something, with AI, you can manage it with maybe 2 or even 3. So you will not really need such a huge human force and things are more automated.